Hello, welcome. My name is Ashan Correa. I'm the Industry Operations Leadership Management Program Lead with McMaster University. It's a genuine pleasure to introduce a new training initiative that we've launched in collaboration with the Excellence in Manufacturing Consortium called the Leading Digital Transformation course. I'll be going through a few of the different attributes of the course, some of the learning objectives, the deliverables, target audience over the next 8 to 10 minutes over this explainer video. Certainly feel free to reach out to me if you have any particular questions. You'll find my contact details on the McMaster website as well. So looking at the Leading Digital Transformation course, this course is really designed to enable business unit leaders, specifically from the manufacturing sector, to lead or support digital transformation initiatives. It has a specific focus at the 1-year time frame, specifically to enable certainly the milestones that are set out, but to be able to frame the content to enable business leaders to drive an ROI to the business unit within that 1-year time frame. To enable that, I'll review some of the learning objectives. We'll first start by understanding the Canadian productivity landscape and understanding some of the challenges prevalent for Canada over the next decade. These are some of the key drivers that are impacting manufacturing businesses looking to undertake digital transformation initiatives. We'll then be looking at how to lead the defining critical current state itself within your operations. Specifically looking at different attributes such as capturing disruption sensitivity, identifying key drivers, owners, sponsors, as well as other stakeholders, all while maintaining action urgency. We'll learn best practices when it comes to benchmarking and conducting a gap analysis, looking at some of the opportunities and shortfalls with a focus on digital twin strategies. You'll also understand looking at how to lead defining the current process threats that might be prevalent and ensuring that those don't continue throughout their digitization efforts. We'll also be looking at how to achieve those 1-year ROI targets by looking at your current state versus best in class. You'll be introduced to the design thinking methodology as well, a group-based decision-making approach, really looking at to enable the discovery stage, as well as engaging stakeholders and maintaining alignment throughout the implementation stage as well. Again, all through the framework of being able to drive and achieve short-term wins and achieve those year 1 milestones. You'll also learn digital transformation leadership strategies, including driving realistic objectives, team alignment, and developing robust communication plans, utilizing a phased implementation approach. And then finally, at the end of our day, we'll be welcoming some senior leaders as panelists to share their insight, lessons learned when it comes to the opportunities afforded by digital transformation, as well as some of the challenges and pitfalls to avoid. And that really is our single-day course on leading digital transformation. We'll be welcoming a number of speakers and panelists on the course to certainly keep apprised of those updates on our course website. To showcase a few, we'll be welcoming Dave, who is a vice president with Boeing. He's led multiple business units in the United States, as well as Boeing Canada Winnipeg. And across his number of years with Boeing, had led multiple digital transformation initiatives. We'll be also welcoming Bill, a senior executive with General Electric, who has a wealth of experience to be able to share, specifically with defining that critical current state and maintaining alignment throughout your initiatives. We'll be welcoming Nilfer, who's an award-winning speaker. You can certainly look her TEDx speaker lecture on YouTube or TEDx website, focused on design thinking. She's also an innovation consultant and CEO with Spring to Innovation, and will be leading our design thinking lecture. We'll also be welcoming Marcin, who's a plant manager with Pratt & Whitney Canada, who will be sharing his insight and experience with regards to the opportunities afforded by digital transformation. And finally, we'll be welcoming Stephen, who is also a lead IoT solutions architect with Cisco, who's also joined us for a number of different leadership and digital transformation courses with McMaster University. So again, this is a small snapshot of the industry leaders you will engage on this course. Certainly keep apprised on our website for a few more that will be joining us as well. In terms of the course itself, it's really focused to enable manufacturing leaders certainly the type of leaders that will be leading and or supporting these initiatives, including managers, supervisors, directors, senior leaders, project managers, but as well lead hands, team leads. There might be stakeholders as part of these initiatives. Change agents, graduate students, undergraduate students are certainly welcome. The course itself, like I mentioned, is going to be delivered over a single day on the 19th of June. Registration is currently open and will close on the 16th of June. The course itself is really designed to enable about 40 to 45 participants in total, so certainly feel free if you have any questions to reach out to myself or register on our website. Each participant will be awarded a McMaster EMC Professional Micro-Credential Certificate. You'll also receive a mural package, which is a digital canvas that'll showcase some of the key teaching points, lessons learned, and tools on a single canvas so that you can easily disseminate some of the information to your teams the next day without having to dive through PowerPoint lectures, for example. And of course, you'll have the opportunity to connect with other like-minded leaders who are also either leading and or supporting digital transformation initiatives. The cost of the program, the regular cost is $750 Canadian plus HST. EMC members certainly benefit with a subsidized cost reduction to $500 Canadian plus HST. Our other qualifying associations, their members do qualify along with McMaster staff and alumni at the $550 Canadian plus HST mark. And certainly recognizing the recent FETDev Ontario and McMaster Aerospace Regional Recovery Initiative, which has granted a 90% subsidy for those that are located in Southern Ontario. So, and we're using the definition as everything south of North Bay, that are either working for a business that is directly in or supports the aerospace sector. Those members will be able to qualify for the 90% subsidized cost at $75 Canadian plus HST. Certainly, again, my name is Ashan Correa. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to myself, and we're very excited to launch this course in June, as well as future cohorts going forward. Thank you.